Pop quiz, 6 questions. How many can you answer yes to? I'm confident with French pronunciation. I can have a basic conversation in French when out and about, ordering food, speaking to locals, and or with French-speaking friends and family. I more or less understand spoken French. I'm familiar with how to ask questions, how to make requests, and how to make complaints. I have a grasp of grammatical terms and know some of the tenses in French. I'm pretty sure my French doesn't sound outdated or like I'm speaking to le président de la République. How many? If you answered no to most of those, ne vous inquiétez pas, don't worry. I have a plan to get you to say yes to all of those by the 17th of June 2024. On the 5th of February, I'm starting a new course for beginners and rusties called Get Beyond Tarzan Level Fun Holiday French for Adults. Look at the information and click the link. Hope to see you there. Merci beaucoup. À la prochaine fois.